Hello YouTubers, this is Fire Alarm Man 4581. Just want to talk about fire alarms. If any of my friends or any subscribers are selling fire alarms, fire alarm panels, etc., please let me know, because I would buy some. I also have a website with my friend Fire Alarm Man 458, and we sell fire alarms, fire alarm panels, strobes, etc., momentary push buttons, etc. electronics. Everything's under $10 except one item, which is $40, which is an infrared pen. Anyway, I'm kind of into the whole fire alarm thing. I don't have any really, but I want to set some up in my room because you can see that I have 4 corners of my room. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can see that. But I kind of want to do it because me and my friend Fire Alarm Man 458, he got me kind of into the whole fire alarm thing. Anyway, you can go to our website and buy those things at BUYNEWNOW.webs, as in WEBS.com. That is buynewnow.com. BUYNEWNOW.webs, as in WEBS.com. Buynewnow.webs.com. If you didn't hear that, rewind. Okay? My stuff really cheap, under $10. $10 is it. Except probably I told you earlier about just the $40 item, which is an infrared pen. I don't really want to get into that because this video is mainly about fire alarms. Again, if anybody's selling fire alarms, fire alarm panels, strobe, whatever, please let me know on YouTube, because that'd be really great, because I probably would buy some off of you. So, thanks for watching.